नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Ajay Jatolia, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss about international health. Nothing on earth is more international than disease, said Paul Russell. Quarantine was introduced in Europe to protect against the importance of plague. Detained for a 40 days period. Different countries adopted different quarantine procedures. First International Sanitary Conference 1851, the first of its kind, was convened in Paris. The objective of this conference was to introduce some order and uniformity into quarantine measures, which varied from country to country. The conference lasted 6 months with no lasting results. World Health Organization. The WHO has its origin in April 1945 during the conference held at San Francisco. The World Health Organization is a specialized non-political health agency of the United Nations with headquarters at Geneva. The Constitution came into force on 7th April 1948, which is celebrated every year as World Health Day. Objectives: the attainment by all people of the world a level of health that will permit them to lead a socially and economically productive life. Membership. Membership in WHO is open to all countries. In 1948, the WHO had 56 members. WHO now has 194 member states and 2 associate members. Work of WHO to act as the directing and coordinating authority on all international health work. The member states identify collectively priority health problems throughout the world and define collectively health policies and targets to cope with them. It has specific responsibilities for establishing and promoting international standards in the field of health. Broad areas of WHO: prevention and control of specific diseases like communicable, non-communicable, and childhood diseases. Development of comprehensive health services, building up primary health care services, family health, maternal and child health care, human reproduction, nutrition and health education. Environmental health, national programs for the provision of basic sanitary services. Health statistics, WHO publishes international classifications of diseases which is adapted every 10th year. Biomedical research, it awards grants to research workers and research institutions for promoting research. Health literature and information. WHO acts as a clearinghouse for information of health problems. cooperation with other organizations, maintains various degrees of working relationships with the United Nations and with the other specialized agencies. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, established in 1946 by the United Nations General Assembly to deal with rehabilitation of children in war-ravaged countries. 1953, when the emergency functions were over, the General Assembly gave it a new name, United Nations Children's Fund, but retained the initial, initials UNICEF. UNICEF's regional office is in New Delhi, South Central Asian region, covers Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, India, the Maldives, Mongolia, and Nepal. It provides assistance to countries in fields a maternal and child health, nutrition, environmental sanitation, clean water supplies to rural communities, health countries, and health education and programs which would directly or indirectly benefit child health. Greater attention to whole child, meaning that assistance not only to health and nutrition but also to their long-term personal development and to the development of the countries in which they live. Content of services, child health, aid in production of vaccines and serum, iodized salt, safe and sufficient water to improve the quality of life, child nutrition, supplementing child feeding, low cost protein rich food mixtures, vitamin A, family and child welfare, daycare centers, child welfare and youth agencies and women's club, education, science laboratories, equipment, workshop, tools, library, books, audiovisual aids are being made available to educational institutions. GOBI campaigns, G for growth charts, O for oral rehydration, B for breastfeeding, I for immunization. International Red Cross, a non-political international organization devoted to the service of mankind in peace and war. Henry Dunant, founder, objective to form voluntary national societies which is time of war would render aid to the wounded without distinction of nationality. In the first Geneva Convention in 1864, a treaty was signed for the relief of the wounded and the sick of the armies in the field. International committees of the Red Cross was formed. It is a independent, neutral institution. It has branches all over the world. Symbolism, the spirit of compassion and universal brotherhood. Role of Red Cross. Initially, it was largely confined to human humanitarian services on behalf of the victims of war. Later on, was extended to other programs which would prevent human suffering, example natural disasters. These comprise services to armed force, service to war veterans, disaster service, first aid and nursing, health, education and maternity and child welfare services. Indian Red Cross, established by an act of the Indian Legis- legislature in 1920. Objectives: the improvement of the health, prevention of disease, mitigation of suffering. Disaster services comprise distribution of milk, medicines, vitamin tablet, cod liver oil, and hundred other items to the famine-stricken people and to those who have been hit by the flood. Development of maternity and child welfare center services. Junior Red Cross activities like the village uplift, first aid, anti-epidemic work, and building up of an international fraternity of youth. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.